Are you thinking about buying TravelPerk for your business, but unsure whether it's the right choice? In this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 things you need to know before purchasing TravelPerk. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether it's the best travel management solution for your company, especially when compared to competitors like Concur or Expensify. Stick around because I'll reveal a few details that could save you both time and money. First off, TravelPerk is a cloud-based business travel management platform designed to help companies streamline and simplify booking travel, managing expenses, and ensuring compliance. It's an all-in-one solution that stands out in the crowded travel management space, offering a user-friendly interface and integration capabilities that you won't always find in competitors. Next thing you should know, TravelPerk is really flexible with its booking options. Unlike some of its competitors, which are either locked into specific providers or have limited options, TravelPerk allows you to book everything from flights and hotels to trains, car rentals, and even experiences. They aggregate over 500 suppliers, meaning you'll have access to a wide range of options and pricing. This is crucial for companies with varying travel needs, as it ensures you're not tied down to one option or provider. The third thing, TravelPerk has a unique FlexiPerk feature, which gives you the ability to cancel or change bookings with minimal fees. This level of flexibility is rare in the industry. Competitors like Concur or TripActions might offer flexible options, but with TravelPerk, you get the convenience of making changes without the massive penalties, ideal for businesses that require adaptability. Another key point, TravelPerk offers a fantastic integration with your existing systems. If your company uses tools like Slack, Google Calendar, or even accounting software like Xero or QuickBooks, TravelPerk integrates seamlessly with them. This saves a lot of time in manual data entry, and unlike other systems that require extensive setup or technical expertise, TravelPerk's integrations are designed to be easy and intuitive. The fifth thing to know is about the reporting and analytics. TravelPerk provides powerful reporting tools that help companies track travel spend in real time, which is essential for budgeting. Whether you're comparing expenses or analyzing where your company is spending the most, TravelPerk's analytics are robust and easy to use. This is a huge step up compared to some competitors, where reports can often be clunky or difficult to customize. Now let's talk about customer support. TravelPerk's support team is highly rated and available 24/7. In fact, they have a dedicated support team that specializes in business travel, which means you're not just talking to a general help desk, but experts who understand the intricacies of business travel. This level of service can be a deciding factor, as some alternatives only offer limited hours or automated responses that don't fully address your concerns. The seventh thing you need to know is TravelPerk's commitment to sustainability. In today's world, corporate social responsibility is a big deal, and TravelPerk is committed to making business travel more sustainable. They offer carbon offset programs and work with eco-friendly suppliers, which is a huge plus for companies that want to reduce their environmental impact. This is an area where TravelPerk truly leads the pack compared to other options that don't emphasize sustainability as much. If you've made it this far, you might be wondering how you can try TravelPerk for yourself. Well, the good news is that you can try the software for completely free. Just click the first link in the description below to access the best free trial, where you'll also get some exclusive benefits you can't find anywhere else. Don't miss out. This could be the right travel management solution your business has been looking for. So, to recap, TravelPerk is an intuitive, flexible, and feature-rich platform designed to make business travel easier and more efficient. With great integrations, excellent customer support, and sustainable travel options, it's definitely worth considering. But if you want to make sure it's the right choice for you, click that link below and get started today.